Woman, oh woman. Hey yo, here we go. Back with another vlog. Hey yo, this is my full-time job now. You know what I'm saying? And making beats is my full-time job. And rapping is my full-time job. Playing video games for YouTube is my full-time job. Taking pictures of FL Studio settings and techniques and stuff like that. And methods that I take pictures of for Facebook, that's my full-time job. So I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it till I make it. I don't care. So that's how I do. That's how I do things around here. Yep. All right. What do I really want to talk about? Why am I making videos for YouTube? Because I'm making videos for YouTube. But anyways, I was distracted. Let me get back to my vlogging. All right. In FL Studio 21, right? FL Studio 21. This is what I do. All right. I start looking for stock sounds from the bottom, and then I'll work my way up from the top. And then I start looking in the middle, left middle, right middle. So until there's nothing left, I just keep trying out these stock sounds with no stuttering in them, with no wobbles in them, with no cutoffs in them, no delays in them. I know how to fix that. I can get paid for that. Hey yo, why am I doing this? I feel like I don't want to do it anymore, but I do want to make stock sounds like that. All I gotta do is prepare it, you know, and then click on accept. Well, first I gotta click prepare, and I gotta set it up, like drag it up, stuff like that, left and right, and then I accept it. Boom. And then drag and drop in the channel rack, and I just set it up right there. Set up my sample to highs and stuff like that. I got better at making beats, and I got, you know what I'm saying? Because when I listen to those stock sounds and start using them, it's like I gotten better already. I know what to do. I got experience for that, real talk. So the only thing I gotta do now is get paid all the time. I'm really trying to get paid tons of money, like I'm trying to make billions like every week or something. Cause I cannot wait that long. It cannot be a whole year. Cause I need the money like for the rest of my life. Like I need to take care of myself. So I can't live with family for the rest of my life and be like, okay, yeah. But that's why I need money. Like and yeah, that's all I want to say. I'm being real. I'm being honest. Like, hey, I'm being honest in my rap music, and I post it up to YouTube. So after I make a stock sound has no stuttering type beats, and I write to it, or I record a freestyle to it, and I post it up to YouTube, upload it to YouTube, or I upload it to Facebook. No copyright strikes, no copyright infringement, if that's how you say it. I don't know, but yeah. FL Studio 21. Stock sounds has no stutter. CO, or should I say C0 in FL Studio 21. I know my notes. I memorize them off the top of my head, so I'm good. So, I studied it. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm doing when I'm using the stock sounds. It's like, that's what's up.